What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of ThundeRobot KG3104 RGB mechanical keyboard. So we are going to talk about its design, performance, features, all of its pros and cons, and we will perform a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of ThundeRobot KG3104, you will find the wired gaming mechanical keyboard along with just a quick start guide. Now talking about the design and build quality, the KG3104 comes in only white color that looks beautiful and also gives different feel compared to the regular black keyboards. The bottom shell and the keycaps are made of ABS, but still it feels quite good on KG3104 and also provides a nice smooth textured feel while touching the keys. KG3104 comes with total 104 mechanical keys and plenty of RGB lighting. Along with beneath the keys, we also got a large RGB light strip that provides a very nice gaming effect while using the ThundeRobot KG3104. The RGB lighting is very bright and way better compared to many other RGB mechanical keyboards of major brands. The wired USB cable is long, but the quality of the material of the USB cable is quite cheap. At the bottom, just like other keyboards, we also got elevating tray, but the good part is that it comes with anti-slip stickers that provides a very nice grip when you are playing games, and it keeps the keyboard in one position even you are playing games aggressively using this keyboard here. Now talking about the features and performance, ThundeRobot KG3104 comes in two variants, the Gatron blue and red switches. The one I got in this video for review is the one with the red switch, and the performance is very impressive. The key travel is so nice and provides a very nice experience whether you are playing games or doing office work, typing, etc. The sound produced by the keystroke is quite low, and you can easily use this mechanical keyboard at your workplace without disturbing other people while still getting the tactile feeling you get with the mechanical keyboards. ThundeRobot claims that the KG3104 can withstand up to 50 million keystrokes, and that's very impressive. And even though if you get just half of it, it will be still pretty much like other mechanical keyboards and you won't be at a loss. It comes with 12 dedicated shortcut keys that you can use on top of the function key to perform various different actions. You can also quickly change the LED lighting settings using the key combination and perform various tasks and commands without even touching your mouse. ThundeRobot also comes with its own software that you can use to perform various different tasks and customize your experience with the KG3104. You can create different lighting profiles using the software. You can even create the macro commands, and then you can select the various lighting effect provided on the KG3104. If you select the gaming mode, then you can once again select what game you are playing exactly, and then the keyboard lighting will be adjusted accordingly to provide a very nice gaming experience, particularly for that game. It comes with 8 different RGB lighting presets for many different games, and other than that, we got 9 RGB lighting effects as well. And if you want, you can even change the task assigned to a particular key using the key assignment feature. So using the ThundeRobot keyboard software, you can enhance your experience with the keyboard and customize it the way you want. Overall, ThundeRobot KG3104 RGB mechanical keyboard is one of the best in its price segment and even better than many expensive keyboards from major and more popular brands. So if you're planning to buy an RGB mechanical gaming keyboard with lots of RGB lighting, nice gaming experience without spending too much money, then ThundeRobot KG3104 is one of the best options for you for sure. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.